Good morning, students. Have a pleasant day. You're watching it is Star International School video session. Children, this session is about Class 5 English Term 1 portion and model question paper discussion. You are going to see about the English subject Term 1 portion and also question pattern and one model question paper for your reference. Okay, kids? Kids, first we will get into term 1 portion. Okay, in literature reader, lesson 1, 2 and 3. Lesson 1, the giant turnip. Lesson 2, how the raven brought back the sun. And lesson 3, balusha. And in grammar part, 7 chapters totally. Chapter 1, the sentence. Chapter 2, transformation of sentence. Chapter 3, subject and predicate. Chapter 4, subject verb agreement. Chapter 5, nouns. Chapter 6, gender. And chapter 7, number. Kids, now we will see what and all you have to study in literature reader. For literature reader, you have to study synonyms, whatever I have given in the class work. Okay, and question and answer, that also what and all I have given in the class work, that you refer. And you just go through the lesson and note down the key points so that it will help you in attending the choose the best answer. Okay, just go through the lesson. Okay, is it clear, students? Now we will see what and all the portions you have to study in the grammar chapter wise. Okay, chapter 1, the sentence. In that you have to know the definition of sentence and you have to know the types of sentence. 4 types are there, no? Declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. And also you should know the punctuation marks used for the sentences. Okay, punctuation marks, what and all the punctuation marks used for the sentence you must know well. And you just refer the book exercise for your reference. No need to by heart and all. Okay, just refer book exercise how you have to do. Okay. Kids, next chapter is chapter 2, transformation of sentence. In this, what you have to prepare means you should know the conversion of sentences first. Positive to negative, negative to positive, declarative to exclamatory, and imperative to exclamatory, and imperative to interrogative, like that. Okay, and next one is question tag. You should know how to write the question tag. I have explained in the video, isn't it? Refer that. Okay, and after that refer the book exercises. Okay. Kids, next chapter is chapter 3, subject and predicate. In this you should know the definition of subject, definition of predicate. Okay, subject is the doer of the action and predicate is the receiver of the action, isn't it? Yeah, so here subjects may be a single one or combined one, isn't it? I have explained, right? So you must know how to identify the subject and predicate and refer the book exercises. Okay. Kids, next chapter is chapter 4, subject and verb agreement. In this, you should know what is a subject. Already in third chapter, you would have come to know, right? So, subject and verb agreement. You should know the rules for subject and verb agreement, and you just refer the book exercise. In the same pattern, questions will be. Okay. So here, subject, you know what is a verb, right? Verb is a action word. In that, helping verbs are there, right? Am, is, are, was and were. Okay, so you should know for singular subject which verb should come, or in plural subject which verb we will use. That if you know very well means you can do this. And also you should know the rules very well. In the book itself there's some rules they have given, right? So just go through the rules. Okay. Children, next one is chapter 5, nouns. In that you should know the definition of noun. Noun is nothing but name of a person, place, thing and animal or idea, isn't it? And you should know the types of noun. Around 10 is there, right? Common noun, proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, etc. Compound noun, etc. is there, right? And also you should know the examples for the types of noun, and learn some words for collective nouns. Go through the words for collective nouns and also refer the book exercises. Okay kids, next one is chapter 6, gender. In that also you just go through the definition. Types of gender is there now. Male gender, masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender and common gender, isn't it? So just go through that, and if for that examples also you learn and refer book exercises. Kids, and the last chapter is chapter 7, number. In this you just know what is a number and what is a singular and what is plural. Okay, and rules for changing singular to plural, that in the tabular column like they have given in the book, right? That you go through well, and also refer book exercise. Okay kids. Children, now we will see the question pattern for term 1 exam. In the three, I have segregated this into three sections: section A, B and C. In section A, reading part 10 marks, and section B, literature reader, I will ask 20 marks, and section C, grammar, 20 marks. Okay, so section A will be in general. Okay, in that reading comprehension, passage will be given, and from that questions will be asked. You have to go through the passage and you have to write the answers. So 2 Roman letters are there in that part, so each carries 5 marks. And in section B is literature reader. So synonyms, 4 synonyms I will ask. In for that each one carries 1 mark, so totally 4 marks, and choose the correct answer. In that you have to go through the lesson. Okay, 3 lessons are there, no? Lesson 1, 2 and 3. You just go through that. From that you can answer. So 4 questions, each carries 4 marks. And answer the following question. For that you refer class work. For synonym and the class work and paragraph question, you refer the class work. Okay, so answer the following questions. Any 4 you have to write. From 5 or 6 I will give. So from that any 4 you have to answer. Each carries 2 marks, so totally 8 marks. And write the paragraph. 2 questions I will ask. From that any 1 you have to answer, so it carries 4 marks. You can write the paragraph questions on your own. Okay, if needed refer the book and class work. Okay kids. Children, now we will discuss section C, grammar part, 20 marks. First Roman letter is identify the sentence. It carries 2 marks. 4 questions will be given. In that you have to identify the sentences. Each carries half mark. And write the question. The second Roman letter is write the question tag for the following. It also carries 2 marks. 4 questions I will ask. In that each carries half mark. And third Roman letter is circle the subject and underline the predicate. So 2 questions I will ask. In that each carries 1 mark. And collective noun, choose the correct collective noun for the following 2. In that 4 questions I will ask. In choice also given in the box. You have to choose the correct one. Each carries half mark, so totally 2 marks. And underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. In that 2 questions I will ask. So you have to each carries 1 mark. You have to underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. And sixth question is fill in the blanks with the correct option. This is from subject verb agreement. Okay, so it carries 2 marks. 2 questions I will ask. Each carries 1 mark. And also spot the error in each sentence and rewrite it correctly. This also 2 questions I will ask. Each carries 1 mark. This is from a number, last chapter. Okay, number. Identify the noun and change that into opposite gender and rewrite the sentence. This is from gender. Okay, first you have to identify the noun from the sentence and you have to write the opposite gender. Each 2 questions I will ask. Each carries 2 marks. And choose the correct plural form in each sentence. Okay, so here plural form spelling, you have to choose the correct spelling for that. Okay, it is 2 marks. 2 questions I will ask, each carries 1 mark, and write the plural form for the words given. Some words I will give, for that you have to write the plural form. 4 questions I will ask, each carries half mark, okay, half of mark, so totally 2 marks. Okay students, this is the question pattern for the term 1 exam. We have discussed the question pattern, isn't it? Now we will see the model question paper for term 1 exam. You just practice this, okay? Model question paper, okay? Children, now we will see the model question paper for English term 1 exam. Okay, first section, 3 sections A, B, C. Section A, first we will see. Section A, 10 marks. Okay, totally. So 2 Roman letter, each carries 5 marks. First Roman letter is read the passage given below and answer the question, 5 marks. So here I have given the passage and questions also I have asked. So you have to answer this question by reading the passage. What is the main point of this passage? Plants need sunlight and water to make their own food is the main point of this passage. What is an experiment? The experiment is about to grow a grass. What happens after few days? After few days the grass becomes dull. So what is the opposite of dull? Bright. How long it take? A few days. In the few days itself the grass become uh, brown, isn't it? Yeah. Likewise you have to read the passage and answer the question. Section A itself, second Roman letter, read the recipe and answer the questions that follow. That is also 5 marks. Okay, so here I have given the ingredients, recipe, steps. I have asked questions also. I have asked questions, isn't it? So you have to answer the questions by seeing the recipe. Okay. Which ingredient is 100 gram? 100 gram, the ingredient cream cheese is 100 gram. Likewise, you have to answer the rest. Kids, next we will discuss about section B. It is for 20 marks. 4 Roman letters are there. Okay, first Roman letter is synonyms. 4 questions I have asked. Each carries 1 mark. Okay, and second Roman letter, choose the correct answer. This choose I have got from, I have taken from book. So go through the lesson well. Okay, for 4 marks. Okay, and third question, third Roman letter is answer the following question. It is short answer. So 5 I will ask, and that 4 you have to answer. It is for 8 marks. And 2 paragraph question, in that 1 you have to answer. This you have to write on your own, refer your book as well as classwork. Okay, so here 2 questions I have given, right? Describe a few words about the balusha. So you know about balusha, right? So you have to describe and explain how the raven succeeded in getting back the stars, the moon and the stars, sun. So for that I have given the classwork some points. Additional points you can write on your own. Okay. And section C is grammar. Okay, it is for 20 marks. Here I have 10 Roman letters I have given. Each one carries 2 marks. Okay, totally 20 marks. First Roman letter is identify the sentence. Here see 4 sentences I have given. Milk is white. Shut the door when you will do the presentation. Yeah, the drainage smells badly. In that first one is declarative, B1 is imperative, C1 is co-interrogative, and fourth one is exclamatory. Okay, next one is, next Roman letter is write the question tag for the following, 2 marks. You don't work on Sundays. So it is a negative sentence, right? Negative form. So for this positive tag you have to write. So you don't. So do you. Okay, Raghu recognize the letter. Here recognize is the do does did form of the verb. So recognize do form of verb. So don't. Raghu is a male, isn't it? So for that the pronoun he is used. Don't he. Okay, you didn't pass the test. So did you. It is a negative tag, negative form. So positive tag you have to write. Did you question mark. Okay, Raja won't come to the party. It is also a negative sentence. So for that positive question tag you have to, will Raja is a male, so he is used. Will he question mark. Okay, is it clear? And third Roman letter is circle the subject and underline the predicate. The sun was shining brightly. In that, the sun is the subject. Was shining is brightly is the predicate. My mother and my aunt are trained dancer. Here subject is my mother and my aunt. Okay, our subject are trained dancers is predicate. Is it clear, students? Kids, now we will see about 4th to 8th Roman letter from section C. Okay, choose the correct collective noun for the following. 4 choices I have given and 4 questions I have given. You have to choose the correct choice for the blank given. Okay, and 5th one is you have to underline the common noun and you have to circle the proper noun in the sentence. First, for that you have to write the sentence first, and then you do the underline the common noun and circle the proper noun and fill in the blanks. For that this one answer is enough. Okay, so you have to what will come in the dash you have to fill. And 7th Roman letter spot, you have to spot the error and you have to rewrite the sentence. Okay, and the 8th Roman letter is identify the noun and change that into opposite gender and rewrite the sentence. Here a British queen was the empress of India. Here gender noun is a queen and empress, right? So that you have to change it into opposite gender. Okay, and temple is the home of gods. Here also gods, goddess. Okay, likewise you have to write. Kids, the next Roman letter is 9 and 10 from section C. Here choose the correct plural form in each sentence. Here choices I have given. In that correct plural form spelling you have to choose and you have to write. Okay, so 2 questions each carries 1 mark. Okay, and 10th one is write the plural form for the words given. You have to write the plural forms for the words given. Here I have given choices A, B, C, D. For that you have to write the plural form. Children, now I will explain how you have to write the exam. Okay, first use ruled paper for writing test. Okay, no need to write in A4 sheet. Use ruled paper. Okay, and write your name, roll number, subject name and date at the left corner. Okay, using black pen, left corner of the page using your black pen. Don't forget to write. So we have to keep a record, so you have to mention your name and roll number, subject name and date without fail. Okay, and after that while starting writing the answers, first you have to put the section name. Okay, section A or B or C, whatever. So section A you have to put, section B you have to put, and section C you have to put. And after that in that regarding section, Roman letter you have to put, first Roman letter or second Roman letter you have to put. And for first Roman letter, first question, second Roman letter, second question, like that you have to mention section name, Roman letter, question number correctly. Okay, and use your blue pen to write the test. After each Roman letter completes, okay, finishes, you have to put a line using the pencil. Okay, to separate from each Roman letter. Okay, so you have to follow this to write the exam. Use ruled paper for writing test. Write your name, roll number, subject name and date at the left top corner using black pen. Write the section, put the Roman letter and question number correctly, write in blue pen. After each Roman letter finishes, put a line using pencil. Children, do it honestly. Okay, try to write the exam honestly. Okay, and after completing the exam, take a photocopy of that and send it to our mail id. You know, right, mail id, in the same day itself. Okay, try to write the exam and submit it in the same day itself. Okay. Children, after completing the exam, scan your answer sheets and convert into PDF. Whatever the pages is there, everything it should come in one mail. Okay, convert into PDF and send it to headstar.5@gmail.com. In the subject line, don't forget to mention name, roll number and subject name. So, okay, don't forget to send these in subject line. Okay, in the while sending the mail, okay, without fail. And write the exam well. All the best. Do well. Okay, kids. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, kids.